Susan Sage invites you on a captivating journey through the pages of A Mentor and Her Muse. Beneath the seemingly innocent title lies a narrative that transcends societal norms, delving into the complexities of race, artistic ambition, and the human psyche. Meet Maggie Barnett, a middle-aged writer whose dreams of literary success waned with the passing of time. Childless and marked by the scars of failed relationships and the tragic loss of her parents, Maggie finds solace and purpose within the walls of a school in Flint, Michigan. It is here that her path crosses with Tessa Riveting, a talented teenage writer yearning for guidance. This psychological novel explores the labyrinthine corridors of Maggie's mind, where the desire to mentor Tay and use her as a muse becomes a journey of self-destruction. As permission for the road trip remains elusive, the duo embarks on a voyage that tests the boundaries of friendship and mentorship. In the hands of Susan Sage, A Mentor and Her Muse emerges as a profound exploration of existentialist undercurrents, reminiscent of Thomas Mann's Death in Venice. The narrative's grip tightens as Maggie's self-destructive behaviors unfold, revealing the intricate layers of characters and the unexpected emotions beneath their facades. The cover, adorned with a brick wall and a wooden door entwined with wiry vines, serves as a symbolic prelude to the story's essence.